Overworking your laptop can cause it to overheat, and when your laptop overheats, it can cause damage to the laptop and also to the user as well. Well, this video has some techniques that you can employ to prevent your laptop from overheating. I've got tips for you which are broken down into hardware and software, and I've also got 5 bonuses in the end of the video that you would want to stick out to watch. Please stay to the end of the video if you want to grab every single information that I give. And without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Is it on?
Hello guys, I'm Jehiel here and welcome to the channel where we deliver tech tips and we explain how everyday devices work. If you are interested in such content and you'd like to be returning back every week to get information like this, then consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell icon so when I release new videos you will be notified. Let's get into the content actually. So first we are going to be doing hardware tips, so we are going to be focusing on the hardware tips. I want to go super fast with this because I've got 14 tips I want to give out to you and it is going to help you if you actually take them serious. So let's get on to it. The first is dusting or cleaning the fans of your laptop. This is going to enhance ventilation. The reason for this is that in your laptop or in every laptop there are components that are meant to draw out heat, and the fan is one of them. So what the fan does is that whilst it's spinning out or whilst it's spinning in the laptop, it brings out all the heat in your laptop. So if your fan is dusty or if your fan collects dust around time, or if it collects dust in a period of time, its ability to be able to bring out all the heat or its ability to draw out the heat reduces. So it's advisable to just turn over your laptop, unscrew it, and then just clean out the fan just so that it can be neat and can be able to draw out the heat easily. The next is avoid to keep your laptop on flat surfaces. You shouldn't be keeping your laptop on flat surfaces. The reason for this is that sometimes for some laptops their air vents are under the laptop, or some of them are just beside the laptop. So when you keep your laptop on flat surfaces or even on your bed, what it does is that once the heat comes out, the heat doesn't get anywhere to go, so it rotates around your phone, or it is just circulating around your phone, and what the fuck it's circulating around your laptop. So it just circulates around the laptop, and then the heat just keeps on going and going like that, and then your laptop would really become hot and you will notice it. Also, don't keep your laptop in your bag when it is on, because when you do it that way, the heat just gets trapped into the bag. It can affect the screen. Yes, heat can affect the screen of your laptop. It would burn the pixels of your laptop, and then it would also affect the battery of your laptop. So don't keep your laptop in enclosed areas, or don't keep your laptop on flat surfaces as well. Now we have to use cooling pads and you have to use laptop stands. These are inventions, or these are devices which are really common in the system. What cooling pads do is that they generate cold air, or they generate cool air under your laptop to prevent it from overheating. And what the laptop stand does is that it elevates your laptop at an angle so that you can also be able to see the laptop without bending your head, or you can also be able to use your laptop with an external keyboard, or just so that you wouldn't be able to cause pain and things to your body or to your position or your posture. But then the main reason based on this topic is that when it elevates the laptop, it prevents heat from just lying down on your flat surface. Next, you have to clean your laptop vents. The laptop vents are really visible on your laptop, and what these do is that they allow dust, or they allow heat to also get out of the laptop. So if your laptop vents are dusty and they are clogged with dirt, the heat just gets trapped into your laptop, and then that's all for you. Now let's move on to the software aspect of things, and I've got 5 tips for you on this. Adjust your power settings. So you wouldn't want to have settings, or you wouldn't want to have your settings in such a way that it is going to be using up the processor or the CPU. Because if it's going to be using up the CPU intensively, then it means that it's going to be using a lot of resources, and when this happens, you are overworking the laptop, and then this can cause the laptop to overheat. The next is clearing temporary files and clearing backup processes. The thing you don't know about this is that these temporary files or these backup processes are running in your background. They are running without you knowing. It means that they are also going to be using some parts of your CPU, and it means that your CPU is going to be occupied, and when it is occupied, it is going to be generating a lot of heat because it's putting pressure on your battery, you're putting pressure on your CPU because it's doing a lot of tasks, and it's very dangerous for you. Close down applications if you aren't using them, because if your applications are open, then it means that what does it even mean? Yeah, it means what the fuck? What does it even mean? Yeah, if your applications are open, then it means that your RAM is going to be in use in this. And if your RAM is going to be in use, your CPU is also going to be in use because you have opened a lot of applications, and then you need a lot of resources from your laptop to keep those applications active. When this happens, you are going to be working your PC out, and it's going to get tired, and it's also going to get overheated. So if you aren't using an application, close it. Use a single application you are working on, and when you are done, you can open a different one. Don't open an application that you aren't going to be using. Avoid downloading untrusted applications. This is something that you would think that it doesn't affect your laptop, but then it actually does. This is because these untrusted applications or this untrusted software come with malware and come with other malicious software that you wouldn't know about. And then when this happens, these applications actually run in your background, and there are lots. They run in your background and you wouldn't know about it. So those of you that download cracked applications, so avoid malicious software. It's very dangerous and it's not good because these software have additional software or they have add-ons, and then these add-ons run in the background. When they run in the background, it causes a lot of damage to you because it's also using CPU resources. Your laptop overheats because it's being overworked, because it needs resources and it needs power to function, that kind of thing. So we have finished with the software aspect of things, and I know you've reached this far into the video because you wanted juicy tips, and these are juicy tips for you, and they are supposed to help you. Thank you for watching to this part of the video. Yes, I promise some bonuses. If you've reached this far into the video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it, and also hit the notification bell icon. It's very important. Now let's move on to the bonuses, and I've got 5 tips for you. Super juicy tips. I'm going to run this super fast. Do not use laptops for long. Yes, it's very common. This is common sense. Don't use your laptops for long, because if this is something that you'll be doing, you are going to be putting pressure on your CPU and your battery. The fan is going to be running crazy. When your fan is running like that for a long period of time, you are going to wear the fan out, and then it's not good for you. So don't use a laptop for long. Take breaks in between like in between your work schedule or your learning schedule or something. Avoid sleeping the laptop. This is something that you don't know, but then if your laptop is going to be inactive for some time, then you shouldn't sleep it. Just shut it down. Avoid hot conditions. When your laptop screen is exposed to the heat, the pixels die easily. Don't leave your laptops in the sun. Don't use your laptops in the sun. Use them indoors. Blah. Some easy things. You are just going to cause the laptop damages and things. Do not run applications when your laptop processors can't handle. You have, let's say, an Intel i3 or something, and then you want to run Forza or you want to run GTA 5 or something. Are you crazy? You are just going to be putting pressure on the CPU, and it is not good. If your laptop can't handle the software, don't run it, because when you do it that way, your CPU would be forcing to get resources, or would be forcing to make space for that resource. And when that happens, you are just putting pressure on it, and then it will still cause it to overheat. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I appreciate it, and please like, comment. Let me hear your comments. It's very important. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Also subscribe to the channel if you still haven't, and then recommend this channel to others. I think that is all for now. Thank you for watching these tips. I hope you will take them into consideration. I am Jehiel. Until we meet again. Bye.